Wicked big meat prep, let's go! I'm at an undisclosed location. Undisclosed only because it's my buddy and he doesn't want the whole world knowing that he has scales. But we are here today to do setup on the FRS, getting ready for the second half of the autocross season and wicked big meat. I'm looking to take home a ton of hardware, and I'm in a class with a bunch of boosted BRZs. So we need to do everything that we can, get this thing corner balanced today, and then we're gonna get it aligned on Tuesday. So let's go. So I think this is about as close as we're gonna get. 770, 748, 595, 577. Total car rate 2691 with a cost of 49.9. You kind of want as close to 50% as possible. 49.93 is pretty damn close. I'm gonna say that's a win. So you see those final numbers. We are now corner balanced. We're looking pretty good. I couldn't show you too much because, like I said, it was a friend who was lending me his scales, who doesn't want the entire world to know that he has scales, because then he'll be forced to lend them. And they are a very expensive setup. So I couldn't do a whole lot of shooting during the process because it would have given away the location. However, we are fully corner balanced. The car feels good. Also took advantage of the flat shop floor to adjust the angle of attack on the front wing. So that's phase one of Wicked Big Meat 2021 prep. Next up is the alignment. Let's go do that. Bunch of wrenches on the floor. You guys know what that means. Now we're doing the alignment. It's a couple of days later, but I put on the same clothes for continuity. Heading to Lexus of Southampton, where my buddy Steve works. We are gonna get this thing on the rack and we're gonna get her aligned finally, because the toe has been wonky and the camber has been non-existent for a better part of 2 years now. Since I put the MCS in, I have never actually aligned the car. I'm hoping it wakes her up a little bit. I'm hoping she stops drifting every turn again. The little camber in the rear should help. And I'm hoping we go nice and fast because I only have like 4 events more to try and claw back the lead from Jose. So, let's go. So this is before. It's ass. She's all dialed in. Let's take a look.
Thank you for doing that. Huh?
It's all right. What's up?
What's up?
Oh, the toe moved again, but oh no, it's
there.
It's going like this. It's fine. Camber in the back is all fucky. Ah, whatever. It's better than it was. I'm going home. We're going home.
Well, when you stick your fat ass over there.
It's Taco Tuesday. So, we got it. It's all in the red. Is that bad? That's right where I like them. So we went like -4 degrees camber in the front, -2 in the back, a little bit of toe out in the front, a little bit of toe in the rear. And that's that. That's my go-to alignment specs. So if you have an FRS BRZ and you want some wicked good alignment specs, that's it. Do it. September 5th is the next event, and then September 12th is Wicked Big Meat. We're gonna go beat up on some turboed BRZs. Follow me on Instagram, Apex Hunter, right there somewhere. And like the video, subscribe, please subscribe, come on. Like 80% of you are not subscribed, but you watch every video. So like, why don't you just hit the button? It's free. Just do it. I'll see you guys next time.